Today's machine maintenance day. We're replacing our flat blades in the jointer with a helical head. That's a nice upgrade. We're flipping all the teeth on the helical head of the planer. Part of the problem is that some of the heads broke off the screws last time we were tightening the teeth in. So we'll have to extract a couple of those. Look at that sucker. That ain't good for a joiner. Loosen it out. Nice and loose. Attach to that thing. Give her some space. Woo! No, it only tilts that shit. Oh man, now it's not square. No, it ain't square. Oh yeah. There's a bolt right there. Oh, it slid right off. 15 works. This bolt will drop out from right here. No big deal. It comes out the chute down the bottom. This is for the light apart here. See, you use the spikes because we go for accurate taps. Came right off like a glove. Woo! Fucking full of dust. Slider back as so. Now look, oh my god, look at that look. Oh. Some new bearings on her. And that just slips right back on like a glove. No big deal. Look at that. It's straight as an arrow. Well, that's probably it. Oh wait, back it up. Let's get that. Oh, zoom in. Oh. We gotta extract that cocksucker. Yeah. Oh, we're going for the extract first?
Yeah, I wanna see it up again.
How do we what? Ground it. Oh. And that's how you ground it. You take a piece of metal and you shove it in these random ass fucking holes here. Hey, look, can we get take it out and put it back in? Put her back. Right there. Call that a ground.
Done deal. And it holds the solar.
These guys from Jet, $5 or $10 each, and the steel ones, $30 for all of them. Oh, brand new machine.